Alright, let's play some AirFighters. Oh, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. I'm not gonna do the same thing. Let's just do something different. Hi. Hello there. Okay. It's coming back. That was nice. Oh man, I overshot that.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, very good.
Where'd this kid go? Let's go get him. The dude crashed. Oh. I hate beating somebody with such a cute name. Alright, Cuddles. I wonder if you can fly at Mach 1 with your landing gear down. Let's find out. I don't think you can. In real life. Hey, Cuddles. Look at me. Hey, Cuddles. There's these things. They're really cool. They're called missiles. Yeah. Come back and shoot me again. Hello. Shoot me. Cuddles wants to play. Okay. Let's play. Is Cuddles trying to get me to crash? Might work. Oh, trying to get me to crash in the water. Oh, Cuddles. The water's hard. Dang. Now, come on. No, don't go to mommy. Don't go home to mommy. Cuddles. Cuddles going home to mama. Cuddles, I'm waiting. Hey! Oh, Cuddles! Cuddles is shooting my ships. Cuddles shot ship number 1. That was not. I will shoot Cuddles ships, or my ships. 2 could play at that game. Where'd my ships go? Good job. I shot one ship. Alright, where's Cuddles? Alright. I got these cool things called missiles. Come here, let me show you. Oh. Man. I gotta hurry up and kill Cuddles before Cuddles kills himself.
Good job.
Good job, Cuddles. You're shooting your own ships. Good job. Uh-oh, I gotta do some evasive maneuvers to get away from Cuddles' cuteness. Look out! Phew. Cuddles. I got something for you. Cuddles is flying low. Cuddles at 11 o'clock. Check that out, Cuddles. Run, Cuddles. Hey! And I thought Cuddles was gonna kill me with cuteness. Okay, let's go get Cuddles. Cuddles, no, Cuddles. Man, you know, I want to kill Cuddles, and I'm tired of Cuddles killing himself. So that will be my goal, to kill Cuddles before Cuddles kills himself. It's gonna be hard. Cuddles, you're going the wrong way. Come back. It's not gonna work, Cuddles. Oh, what the heck. Let's work together. Let's cooperate. Wow. Cuddles like, that's not fair. How come he always wins? Cuddles. I'm gonna kill myself before Cuddles can kill himself. Come on, play. I'll die once. Please. Come on, Cuddles. Cuddles. Bye, Cuddles. Cuddles. Maybe Cuddles just died. Hey! Let's get a close-up look at my ship. Hey guys, look at me! Oh. Cuddles, you won! Awesome! Now here's how you land on your ship. You come in at full blast, and then you aim for the guy waving his arms. Cuddles is like, oh, I'm awesome! I'm awesome! Hey, Dad, look! Oh, boy. Cuddles went stealthy. Oh, Cuddles. It's like a contest to see who can let the other one win as much more. Okay. I can play at that game. Well done. He slaps it. I've lost situational awareness. Cuddles. Left is right and right is left. Look out, Cuddles. I'm coming. No. Alright. Guys, sorry. Bye. Ooh. Let's go stealthy. Cuddles. Come back. Cuddles. Come back, Cuddles. Okay. Bye, Cuddles. Maybe next time.